Hi guys, I hope you're well. Excited to be back for Dropmas number 8. So if you're new here, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags and accessories. And I do videos every Wednesday and every Sunday about bags, of course. And I'm going to unbox this new drop. And I will explain you just after the unboxing what it is, why I'm doing this and everything. So stay until the end of the video. So let's go. So we are going to unbox now to see what it is. I hope you enjoy. Ta-da! I'm not going to show you right away. So I'm so excited because we have a box from Louis Vuitton, and this is an SLG from Louis Vuitton. This one is just amazing. We have the box for this one. We have also the dust bag. We have some little papers for the material, what's used and everything. And we are going to discover what's inside. I think you just already know. It's super easy to guess, actually. So what we have here, sorry, this is my tag for the price and for the Dropmas. It helps me like to recognize items with the pink tag. Anyway, so we have a long wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is a monogram Canva. This is a zippy one, so we have like the zipper one. So it's quite unusual. Usually we have like the button pressure, the more usual version, but the more classical version. But this time we had the zip one, and it's a very good condition one. It's excellent condition, box dust bag, and the item is insane. So the outside of it is monogram Canva, a very good condition. You have some little threads around here that starts to pop out, but it's very, very small. Otherwise, Canva is insane. Corners also are amazing condition, I must say. The zipper also is very good. I have nothing to say. Hardware starts to tarnish, but it's normal. It's not a brand new one, as you can see with the box. This is the old packaging. This is a brown packaging. Now it's orange packaging. It was changed, I believe, in 2016 or 2017, something like this. Let me know in the comments if you know the exact date when they changed the packaging. But otherwise, inside now is gorgeous. I'm so excited. The only thing about the inside is here you have two little white stain, but it's very little, and I truly believe it can be like cleaned. But yeah, otherwise, inside is gorgeous and almost unworn. You have the zip coin pocket that has like little dirt, but almost nothing. I'm impressed actually because condition on this one is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, it's very, very good. We have the serial number just here, and the price for this one is €370. I will add on the screen the USD and the UK price as usual, and it is now available. You can buy it directly on my website. I will link in the description, and I'm going to explain you why you can buy from my website and what's the website and everything, and why I'm doing Dropmas. So my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags, and I'm so passionate that with Vincent, my partner, we decided to create our own luxury handbag pre-loved business. So you can buy everything on our website, and we release drops and items every Wednesday. It's called like our backdrop day. It's only the Wednesday. We have a special hour. You receive an email, then you have the YouTube video, and then we go live on Instagram in English and on TikTok in French, because we have a huge community of French people on TikTok because we're French, but I don't know why, because usually we speak only English, so it was funny. Anyway, so you can find new items every Wednesday during our backdrop day. And while it's Christmas, I was hesitating doing Vlogmas for Christmas. Like Vlogmas is vlogs during Christmas, so it's Vlogmas, and you vlog your day. You film yourself during the day, every single day, and you post every single day on YouTube until Christmas. But it was way too intense to do it for me. So I decided to do like Dropmas instead. So I will be releasing one luxury items per day, every single day in French and in English on YouTube. And you will have a priority on YouTube this time. So I will release at 6 p.m. every single day an item on YouTube, a video on YouTube. And 6 p.m. Paris time, sorry, I will add on the screen like the US times in UK. And you will be able to see like every item on YouTube at 6 p.m. And then at 6:15 Paris time, you will have the email for everyone who subscribed. And then later I will post on Instagram, of course. But yeah, this is mostly how it's gonna work. I hope you will enjoy it. Usually it's the other way. It's first the email and then YouTube videos. But I will do this from 1st of December till 24th of December. I really hope you're going to be like here and present. I know it's going to be a lot because you're going to see me like every single day. I will be sending an email every single day, but it's only for Christmas. And because it's like festive and it's like, you know, a Christmas gift, we try to have like very nice item for you guys. But yes, this is all for today's video. I hope you will enjoy this Dropmas. I hope you will enjoy this item. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like my content and if you like luxury handbags and accessories. And I will see you tomorrow for another drop. Bisous, bye bye.